I just sat here for 10 minutes and had the most life-changing massage on my eyes. I've never been to like a spa. I've never had a massage there before. This thing is awesome. Now, the company did gift this to me. I'm so glad that they did. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. All of these little rubber nodules on here, these vibrate in different sequences. Even these here also heat and cool right on your eyelids. And then you're going to go ahead and get all the different vibration sequences through here. It's going to be hard for me to actually talk while this is going on because it feels so good. It's distracting. It's hitting all around. It's getting my nose. It feels so good. Okay, now if I click this button forward, it's in low heating mode. And I can feel that heat up immediately. Now I'm in high heating mode. So you just click this button forward and backwards. We're in low cooling mode, high cooling mode. Now it's going to do both heat and cool, and it's going to like cycle through for me automatically. We turn the heating and cooling mode off. Now if I press backwards on it, we've got eye caring mode. Now this eye caring mode is just turning all of them on at the same time, and it's just pulsing for like 1 second on, 1 second off. And I can feel the heat. Oh, it feels good. Now we're in vitality mode, kind of going around in a circle. Oh yeah, that feels good. And now we're in sleep mode. Sleep mode is a very gentle, kind of very smooth, soothing vibration all around the eye, on the outer eyes and the nose, and a little bit up here, kind of in the eyebrow area. And now we just turn the whole vibration massage off. I've never had a product like this. I've never experienced anything like this. I was going to give this away as a gift, but I think I'm going to keep it for myself. Sit back, relax, let this thing do what it does. It feels awesome. Fits comfortably. They give you a USB-C charging cord. You do have to have your own cube, but other than that, pick this thing up. I think you're going to like this one. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.